Support comes from Art Starts, presenting Hunchback of Notre Dame on November 16th through 19th in Marion, featuring a live orchestra and 70 local performers. Tickets available at the Marion Cultural and Civic Center or 997-4030. Support comes from the SIU School of Art and Design, presenting Art Over Easy 13. This benefit auction gala features artwork by faculty, alumni, students, and community members. Admission includes food, drink, and music. Art Over Easy 13 at the Glove Factory Surplus Gallery on South Washington Street in Carbondale, Friday, December 1st from 7 to 9:30 p.m., with a live auction preview from 6 to 7 p.m. Tickets available at the door. Support comes from Cedarhurst Center for the Arts Chamber Music Series, presenting pianist Larry Wang, a Columbia University and Juilliard School graduate, Sunday, November 18th, 7:30 p.m. Details and tickets online at cedarhurst.org.
Support provided by Harbaugh's Cafe, serving breakfast and lunch daily, with carryout available and breakfast served all day. Now accepting major credit cards. 901 South Illinois Avenue in Carbondale.
Hello, today is December the 5th, and here is your WSIU Almanac. 43 years ago, the NFL got one team larger with the addition of the Seattle Seahawks. And in music, in 1973 on this day, Paul McCartney released Band on the Run. Submissions for the artwork must be on poster board 14 inches high by 11 inches wide. For more information, just go to presidentlincoln.illinois.gov. In Centralia, the Fantasy of Lights display at Foundation Park runs this year from November 22nd.